Muzata.
Aluminum channel is the most popular type of LED channel on the market, since it is not only durable as a protector but also serves as a heat sink of LED strips. And great heat dissipation could extend the lifetime of LED strips. They are easy to install and have a nice appearance. This model comes with silver color channel and crystal diffuser, which go well with white or light color background. Crystal diffusers are ideal for lighting function because of high transmissivity. You could always find the products in this video on Amazon. Just search Muzata and the model number in Amazon searching box. We have a variety of styles with different specifications on Muzata one-stop shop, including lots of all-in-one solution kits and accessories. They have been organized in order for your convenience. You can buy everything you need in a minute. Just scan the QR code or use the URL on screen to visit. Firstly, we need to decide the shape. U-shape and V-shape aluminum channels are the two most popular styles on market. U-shape is great for surface mounting, while V-shape is ideal for corner applications. Secondly, the width and height. Basically, it depends on the size of your LED strips. Make sure the inner space of channel is enough for LED strips. All our aluminum channels are fit for almost all the 35, 28, and 50/50 strips on market. For light strip plus second, you might need to choose U102 with extra width. For waterproof LED strips, only U103 with extra width and height could fit them in. We provide aluminum channels of 1 meter, 2 meters and 3 meters length. They all could be connected to fit different length. Choose longer version if you don't like too many connections. We have a variety of color combinations. You could choose your favorite one or according to environment color. Crystal and smoky crystal diffuser are ideal for lighting effect with high transmissivity, while milky diffuser is great for diffusing light spots and creating neon effect. Remember that light spots might not completely disappear since it is related to the density of LED lamps and height of channel as well. Generally, U103 creates the best neon effect because of the extra height. Bendable aluminum channel is perfect for columns and irregular corners. They are made of special aluminum alloy for extra softness. Double row channel is much wider than U-shape. It is designed for installing 2 LED strips to get higher brightness. Here are accessories for U-shape channels. We also sell diffusers alone with different colors. We should measure the length of the whole project before buying. Aluminum channels are designed with integral meters. However, you could always cut the last one to fit the length you need with a cutting tool or a saw. Firstly, install the mounting clips and extension connector. Then press the aluminum channel in. Install corner connector if there are corners in your project. A piece of double-sided adhesive would help to fix the connector. Then press corner channel in. Measure the LED strip and cut on right position indicated. For corners, we connect 2 strips by soldering them on a strip corner connector. Test LED strip before installing it. The hole on end caps could be enlarged according to the power wires. Tear off adhesive paper and install LED strip inside aluminum channel. Install the diffuser by pressing it into the slot on aluminum channel. Put some hot melt adhesive on the hole if you want it to be more durable and moisture-proof. If you have any questions about the product or any problems while installing, please don't hesitate to leave a comment. We are happy to help. We will upload more videos regularly. You could get the latest videos by subscribing this channel. Just click the logo on screen.